Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the bottom speaker on your iPhone. Your iPhone actually uses two main speakers for a rich audio experience. The primary speaker is located at the bottom, delivering robust sound. It works seamlessly with the earpiece speaker, creating a stereo effect that truly immerses you in your content. Understanding this dual speaker system is key to maximizing your iPhone's audio capabilities for everything from music to phone calls. Many people wonder about the two-speaker grills at the bottom of their iPhone. While it looks like two, only one is the main speaker, usually on the right side. The other grill often houses the microphone. The earpiece speaker, located at the top, works with the bottom speaker to produce stereo sound. This means audio is split into two distinct channels, providing a more immersive and directional listening experience for your media. If you're experiencing issues with your bottom speaker, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, confirm your iPhone isn't in silent mode or connected to Bluetooth headphones. Next, carefully inspect the speaker grill for any lint or dust accumulation, which can muffle sound. A soft brush can help clean it. Finally, a quick restart of your device can often clear up temporary software glitches affecting audio output. To get the best sound from your iPhone's bottom speaker, always ensure it's unobstructed. When watching videos or listening to music, try to hold your phone so your hand doesn't cover the grill. You can also fine-tune your audio experience by adjusting the equalizer settings within the Music app. Keeping your iPhone's operating system updated ensures you have the latest audio enhancements and bug fixes for optimal sound quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.